What's up, guys? I'm heading to the gym right now, early morning. But I just want to say something. I have a small little problem. You know, I have a habit of bringing my music into the shower all the time, and it actually makes the experience more enjoyable. And plus, my singing voice is actually sounds very very good, very angelic when I'm in the shower. Yeah, right. Wishful thinking. Anyway, my problem is that when I have my phone on me in the shower, I tend to get it all wet. And it's because I have to put it outside the tub. And then when I want to change that track, I have to open the curtain, reach for it, and then I'm all wet to it, right? Get in the shower. And then I end up making a mess. And my phone's all wet. So, I decided that I have to make something that could solve that problem for me. Um, for me to explain right now, it makes no sense, but I have to actually show you exactly how it's what I'm talking about. All right. So first, let me go do this workout and then we reconvene afterwards. All right. Peace. Oh, all right. I'm back from the gym. When I came home, I ate some food and I was so tired because I got up at 5 o'clock this morning. So I took about a 2, maybe 3 hour nap. But now I'm all set. I'm ready to go. All right. So I'm going to take you to the bathroom. I'm going to show you guys exactly what's happening and what's going on. All right. Come, let's go. All right. Welcome to my bathtub. So now I'm going to show you my point of view of my actual problem that I have. All right. So once in my shower and I need to change my track, I have to actually open the curtain over here. So now I have to open the curtain over here, and I normally keep my phone right there on the side ledge. So when I reach up to pick it up, at this point, I'm all wet and all the water might be dripping off my hand onto the phone and maybe into this whole area here, and it'll be very, very messy. Right? So what I'm thinking is to put a phone holder somewhere along here, maybe at eye level. So then I can just set my phone in here. So my phone will be right here as I take a shower. So it'll be easy access and I don't have to get all here, all wet. So that's the plan. So let's see how it goes. All right. Here's a game plan. So no, don't laugh. I'm not the best sketch artist, but I'm gonna try my best just to illustrate my thought process. All right. So what I was thinking is maybe so this would be like a side view, right? So let's do like an L shape. So I'm just doing basic squares because I cannot sketch for anything. Um, so L shape like this, and then like this. So then the phone will be sitting right here, right? And then I'm also thinking of putting maybe some side panels here so that the phone wouldn't, tilt or anything like that. So if this is a side view, I do like a front view. Yeah. So front view might be like this is the back. This is like the piece in the front, like this part here, kind of going over here. And then I have the side panels here, like this. All right, so side panel, I don't know, the stopper, I guess. Oh, and this is the back. Yeah, so that would be basically the basic shape of it, right? And then the phone will just sit inside here, nice and neat. And actually, you know what? Now I think about it, I might even do like a separate mount like this. So then this will slide into it. And then what I would do is use command strips to stick it onto the tile because I'm not going to drill no holes or anything like that. All right. So I think this is a simple design that probably could work and solve my problem, make life a little bit easier. You know, that's the whole point of designing, is to make life easy and simple. So I'll go with this. I'm going to go now take this basic idea, I'm going to put it into CAD, and then I'm going to design up something and then 3D print it, and then we'll see how my first iteration goes. All right, stay tuned. All right, so here are the pieces. So we have, this is the holder part, and then we have the side panels over here. So like I said, the actual mount itself, it's already installed in the bathroom, so we will see that afterwards. But just to kind of show you the final design, at least my first iteration of it, is so we have the holder here. It's an L shape, as I said. I put some guide, like a nice little guide here. So these are for the side panels to go in. So just align it like so, and it just slides in nice and easy, like that, clicks right in. So this the other side, it slides right in, and that's it. It's a pretty simple design. Here's the back, the guide for the so it's gonna mount it this way, top down. So gravity is just gonna hold it in place, which is always good for us. And that's pretty much it. And in case water that does get into this, at least there's another gap here so the water can just run out. Maybe I should have made the bottom here a little bit slanted down, but it's all good. Either way, I don't think it's gonna get wet. So this is the final look of it. So now we'll go to the bathroom and then we'll just put it all together, and then you can see how it works. All right. All right. So here we are now. So this is the actual mount, as you can see. So I put, if you can see that says the 3M there. So that's the command strip. I don't know if you can get, I mean, it's pretty flush with the wall. So it's on there, very good. All right, so the final test will be, you take the final assembly and you're just gonna slide right in, like it, feel it out. There it is. All right. Oh no, where is it? There we go. All right, so goes right in, nice and snug. So look at that. That's pretty good. So I think initially I said I wanted to put it inside here, but I figured I'll keep it on this last tile here. So then, and this where I close the curtain, it'll still be accessible. Like it'll be like in between outside and inside. You know, I was kind of worried that maybe it might get wet, but I doubt it. But you know, we'll see how it goes. Well, yeah, I thought that it might get wet if I put it inside, but so I kept it out here just in case, to be on the safe side. So that is it. I mean, there's not more I can say, but we just have to test it out and see how it goes. All right, so that's the end. And I might just show a little video of me just putting my phone there and everything in it as we're working, but that's pretty much it. So thank you. All right, so I decided I'll do a little mock trial. So let's say I'm coming to the shower, open it up, I come inside. All right, I have my phone here. So I put it right inside there. That's perfect. So then when I close the curtain, it is safe from the water. I can do my thing, let's say I want to change a song, I can just, hold on. Yeah. I could just start it open like this and then scroll, 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 find whatever song I want to play. And then that's it. And then when I'm done, I could just close it like this, just in case of anything. And you know what? Maybe, just maybe, I could watch some YouTube or something, you know? Man, you know what? I go from one habit of playing music to now wanting to watch YouTube videos while I take a shower. That's crazy. You know what? I actually like this. I might actually make a little shelf for right here because you know what? I have this thing here, but it's no good because this thing always pulls with water, as you can see. And then before I used to have my soap in here, and then after a couple of days, it'll be like all soggy and basically melted. So maybe I should make a little soap dish slash maybe another phone holder, you know, so I could either bring my phone here or there. Bring my phone here, watch some YouTube, or play music. I don't know. Phone here, watch YouTube. Phone there, play music. And then my soap over here while I take a shower. You know what? That might be my next project. Stay tuned. Devo 4D out.